For the national ID, as we have already opened yung registration na below 5 years old, and also yung di ka kapampanganak, mabaling pa yung registro na yan. As of August 31, 2025, we have already registered 536,807 individuals. This is from the target na 618,850 based on 2024 census of population. And this translates to a 87% accomplishment. So, agtultuloy iti pa nagparehistro tayo yung national ID. We conduct not only or we don't not only extend our registration efforts karigiti communities kasi akan kanta kami iti mobile registration. So, makiko-coordinate kami iti LGUs through their local civil registrars nga agkandak kami iti barbarangay, iti far-flung areas. So, da kami iti dumandanon kami iti mabaling ang registro. So, the target kita talaga is to saturate puno cover iti below 5 and below nga population. And of course, digitihaan pa nga na-registro nga senior citizens.
What about releasing na, sir? Alisto ka din ang kumpara ito na pala?
Actually, ma'am, in terms of the physical card, kasi so kami talaga kanayon nga issue di physical card. We acknowledge and recognize the constraint and the struggle in terms of releasing the physical card. And we advocate the use of different forms of national ID. Kasi at that national ID is used mainly for digital access talaga. So at that digital ID tayo that can be accessed through eGov app. So no at that Android when no iOS tayo, search tayo lang po ini eGov PH na app. So in this dito eGov PH. So no ma-search you dito you can access your digital ID by filling out your information. So, kadiji nga digital ID, it's the same use with the physical ID. Kasi the validation process na naglanket the same with the physical ID. It's just that awan ID na diggaman. Yung mas handy di jay kasi no kanay mo matigam na di cellphone mo as a DigiID, physical ID. So, DigiID mesa nga nami as alternative kasi we also recognize talaga yung constraint in providing the physical card. But agtultuloy, iti pa nag-print, pa nag-release kasi adapi efforts mi nga no adati ma-receive mi nga cards ket da kami pa yung tinigdandaman tayo sa barangay during our mobile registrations. So talaga nga we are extending our efforts kadati nga pa nag and also aside from the electronic and physical dapat DJ makonto na nga in paper form. So we print the national ID in paper form and it can be used the same function that is physical ID.